Yeah, how you going? I'm just going to create a short demonstration video. When I say demonstration video, I'm going to call it a demonstration project. Okay. Now, what we've got is we've got a few areas here that we can add. So add a comment here. And we don't see a lot of information. We've got a lot of variables here, and these are some of our standard stages. So if I just save that for a moment, what I'm doing is I'm highlighting here. We're going to end up having a message thread underneath. Okay, so let's say that what I'm doing here is actually right now I'm actually verifying the email accounting, email management or the CRM mailing, and that's using both the in and outgoing mail servers. And as we've just put this together ourselves, and we sort of want to make sure and validating for our clients as well, that equally you might be learning from this. So what I wanted to do is just add a couple of our followers that are in our system. And this is just for a validation that we're going to get the right answers. There's the pop-up now. So what we're going to do is I've got my offsider Lara, and I'm just going to add myself here as well. And I hope this doesn't create too much spam against my name. And I'm just going to add these to the project. Alright, so what this does is it starts to allow, we'll just add those. Okay, you can edit that. That's just pulled up a standard message while it starts to go through. Okay, now you can see here we've got followers. Alright, now any action, whoopsie-days. Alright. I just need to make a note here. What I'm doing here is, you see how the red arrow's coming up? So I'm just going to say, I'm just going to log a note here. Actually, I'll log an internal note because I don't know which one I pushed. Make an internal note. Right, now if you're using your CRM and you've been on the phone or something to that effect, you might want to just make a note of it. Now, I'm going to save that for a moment, or I'll log that. Okay. Now, I'm just going to refresh, because what happens here is we actually start to get my little video recorder's covered over there. So I think I'm doing that. Control F5. Just refreshing my browser at the moment. Okay, so that's what I was looking for. Because I've refreshed my browser, we can say, what do you want to actually follow? So because I'm just going through the test process, I want to just have that when I add a note, so when I add a note, it will message out. The followers will receive a message. When I raise a new message, pardon me, people will start to be in tune with the discussion going on. So I'm going to just validating that I've done everything there, which it seems to be. So let's go and make a new message now. Right. So first we logged an internal note. Now I've actually had verification that Lara there, which was the Skype message coming through, has said that she's received my request to follow. So that's a great little tool. So now we'll make a new note, make a new message. And we'll send that. Now technically, let's just go and say, not sure what happened there, but I'm just going to jump back very quickly. It seems like my video might have stopped. Now that could be because I'm on a browser. Okay, and I've typed into here, and we've just sort of sent back to Lara, can you please verify that we've got this comment? I hope I haven't doubled up on that comment. I'm just watching my screen recorder as well, playing a few tricks on me. So now the other way we can send a message is we can actually populate, right? But now we're going to come into here, okay? And this time I'm going to say that we want to have a look at a new message being sent to followers of project only, okay? So here we've got that we're sending the message to the followers. The recipients followers of the document and potentially anybody else. So let me say now that we're going to have, because I haven't got follower, I've actually set my own email address as one of the followers. Now I'm also going to add myself here, okay, as Anthony at Vuente. Again, I hope I don't get too much spam. I'm more than happy to help you if you want to email me there. But alright, so I'm also going to, so I'll send that. Actually, what I'll do is I'll just copy this, Control C, send that. Now that one's sending off a message as well. Now we can select, I'll come back into that in a moment. Awesome, fantastic. Right. Now I'm just below the screen. What about this one? As an email also. Okay, so now we've got a couple of different styles, but I just want to step back. When we came into here, and I probably potentially went a little bit quick on you, we can pull up a template, right? So let's just say that there's so we can build these, right? And that's going to start populating. Right, there it is there. Beautiful, yeah. So the other thing we can do is if I get rid of all that, because it's not relevant, yeah. Right, so let me say that we're now creating a new template for ourselves, okay? So, hi there. I'll just get a bit fancy. I'm just creating this new template. Okay. Hope video lesson. Okay, so now we can save that here. Okay, so save it as a template. Alright, so let's just push that, and we've got the blah blah blah, as the subject line. So we're going to save that. Alright, great. But now let's just go back into here, and there we are there, but I'm just going to get rid of that for the short moment. Alright, so now we've cleared it, of course, and let's look, we had demo. There it is there. Again, now we've just pulled up our standard template, and off we go. Hey, I even dropped the 0 there, the O, so we'll just put that in there. Whoops. Alright, so I hope that makes sense. We can send that, and I'm going to push that one as well. Let's just quickly go back to Lara as I close out. I don't like to send too much. Alright, we haven't heard from her there yet. Now that can be, for the discussion, it can be server outgoing mail settings, and in what time. Like we've got it set for every 5 minutes that it will send a message out. Okay, and just want you to know that, you know, depending on that setting is in how frequently will the messages actually be sent. Alrighty, well I hope that works for you. A bit of an extended video today, but we'll talk to you on the next one. Cheers for now. Bye.